In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Disputes, conflicts, rivalries. Dispute, dispute, dispute. Is it something good? No, not at all. Will you like to have it? I don't like. Any gentleman, anyone else who is a really gentleman, a noble person, will never ever like to have a kind of dispute, a rivalry with anyone else, and it is really something nice. I am of the view that each one of us should do our utmost, to avoid the conflicts, the disputes, and then to channelize, to utilize our time, our energy available for the positive and for the constructive works. But still, despite the best efforts on the part of us, we will not be able to totally avoid, to totally get rid of the disputes, of the conflicts. We will not be able to do that, despite the fact that we did our utmost, and we did succeed in avoiding, in preventing, in precluding many of the conflicts, many of the disputes. But still, some of these disputes and conflicts have become, did enter our life. We could not protect ourselves, and now it is the time to face those conflicts and to face those disputes. And our today's talk is now how to go into the, how to go into this conflict, how to go into this dispute. After all, we did try our level best, but we could not avoid it, now it is the time to face it, now it is the time to encounter it. Now our today's talk is about the strategy, about the policy, about the way we people are going to tackle, we people are going to face this conflict and this dispute. Let's begin. First of all, we never ever let any non-issue become an issue. Never ever let any non-issue become an issue. This will be the first victory, because the so many of the people in the world, they people are fighting, squabbling, arguing over what, over the non-issues. Never ever allow a non-issue to become an issue. This will be a kind of success. And now let's go into the resolution of the conflict, of the dispute. Now I think so, first of all, we try to avoid all the problems, all the conflicts and the dispute, and then later on, when somebody tried to make a non-issue into an issue by fighting it, and there was no issue at all, we have decided that if there is no issue, I am not going to I'm not going to get engaged with this person. Never ever get engaged with this person if there isn't any a real issue between the two of you. But now there is another case where there is a real issue. Now at this point, your opponent, your rival will try their level best. They will try their utmost to bring the non-issues and to make them into the issues, so that the real issue could be sidelined. This will be their strategy, and this will be their policy, to make a non-issue into an issue. Never ever allow a non-issue to become an issue. Always stick to the issue, always stick to the real and the core issue, and never ever allow yourself to get engaged on the discussion, on the debate, on the argument about a non-issue. Ignore them. all together and stick to the issue. This will be a very important and a very important success indeed. Now then, after that, your opponent, your rival might try, and this will also be their policy and their strategy to somehow to create to somehow use the unparliamentary words and to raise their voice, so that you could to get yourself provoked. And here too, never ever get provoked. Always stay calm, because staying calm will ensure your victory, inshallah. But getting provoked will make us a failure, and we don't want to become a failure. We do want to become successful, because the issue is a real one and we are suffering. We do have to get rid of it, and we do have to acquire, we do have to gain, and we do have to achieve our objective. Never ever raise your voice. The louder he she become, the more softer we are going to become. The more louder they become, the more softer we will become. They are using the unparliamentary word against them. We are using the most parliamentary words, the most polite words. And but then last but not the least, we have to pay huge importance to the quality of the argument. We have to bring the very important points, we have to explore, and we have to explore the very important points, the most important points, and we have to argue over the important points. We do have to do the advocacy. We do have to explain, and by finding the very important points, and by explaining them in an excellent manner, I think so we are going to win, inshallah. And then try to engage the other righteous people, the good people, the honest people, and the sensible people. Bring them between the two of you, and let them hear, let them listen your case, so that you could seek a kind of moral support from some of the people. It is as simple as this one. No rocket science at all. No rocket science at all. It is not complicated. Maybe the other guy, maybe the person on the other side, they will try to make it complicated enough. But let me tell you that we should never ever allow to create the complication. Let me repeat in the few seconds. First of all, never ever fight and squabble. Never ever get engaged over the non-issue if there isn't any real issue, and then do not get engaged in it at all. And then coming next, if there is a real issue, maybe your opponent will try to take you away from the real issue, and will try to create the non-issues, will try to make the non-issues into an issue. Never ever do that. Always stick to the real issue, the core issue, and then they will try to raise their voice. You don't have to raise your voice in return at all. You have to stay calm, even if you are stronger than them, even if you are weaker than them, whatever the case. But never ever raise your voice. The louder they become, the softer you should respond. And if at all they are using the impolite, the unparliamentary, and the abusive words, never do that. Always behave. Use the right word, use the sensible word, use the polite words, and use the parliamentary words. And above all, last but not the least, bring the very important points, explore the very important points, and then explain it in front of the other people. Try to get engaged, try to bring certain other people into your case, so that they could listen, they could hear the case, and you would be able to get a kind of moral support from those people, having practiced all of these things in an excellent manner, in the letter and with the letter and spirit. I believe that inshallah we are going to win, and we are going to win, inshallah. Thank you. Jazakallah.